Dealing with waste, conserving water, mitigating emissions, and building the foundations for our customers' sustainable business have been in our focus for decades. With a leading offering of sustainable solutions in the market, we have what it takes to raise our customers' environmental performance to new heights already today. But our sights are set on the future. A future with no waste. Are you looking for the greenest and cleanest solution on the market for collecting and treating wastewater? A solution that saves precious water and offers unmatched hygiene and health benefits. A future-proof solution that simplifies design and construction with unequaled flexibility. Welcome to Build with Evac. We're setting the new standards for a future with no waste, already today. Evac, nothing to waste.